Here is how we can decrease volume on the Apple Watch. Let me talk about it and let's get started. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there are two parts of this. At first, there is the volume of the music, of the content or videos you play in the messages or whatever, the content volume. And then there is the notifications and ringer volume. When it comes to the first one, like when you mean the content volume, for example, you have the headphones in your ears, you are streaming Apple Music or Spotify or whatever. To control and decrease volume there, you just rotate the digital crown toward the bottom, and this is what changes the volume, right? So it also means when you have some kind of like videos stored in your in the messages, right? You can play those, and you can as well lower down the audio level, the volume, using the digital crown. So that is how it would basically work for most of this type of content stuff. Outside of that, when it comes to the ringer volume and for notifications, you can go to the Watch app on the paired iPhone and find the sounds and haptics section, and there is a volume controller. But as I say, this applies to the ringtone and alerts, and it's a completely different story because this is just like notifications, incoming calls, and so on. But this controls how loud the Apple Watch gets when you get those like notifications, so you can decrease the volume, but specifically for those instances. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and we'll hopefully see you later in the future uploads.